ready to navigate the twists and turns of Australian property market? We've got the map you need right here. Hello, Rupali here from Get Rare Properties, bringing you the very latest on the Australian property market this week up to 26th of April 2024. Today, we are zooming into the hot spots that are drawing investors from all the corners. First up, where are all the savvy first-time investors putting their money? Close to the capital cities, that's where. The Commonwealth Bank's active property investors report highlights the Sydney CBD as the top location. Not far behind, we have got the West Melbourne area and parts of Northwest Sydney. Dr. Michael Bowman from CBA mentions that these spots have been investors' favorites for years, reflecting a trend that holding strong despite market fluctuations. Speaking of market trends, let's shift gears and talk about confidence in the property sector. Confidence is climbing, and it's thanks to a stable interest rate environment and easier access to the finance. The Procure Property Council surveys shed some light on this, with Michael Candler's pointing out the role of government's cooperation in achieving national housing goals. It seems like the calm is setting in even as we navigate some rocky government inefficiencies. Now, from rising confidence to skyrocketing prices, let's see what's happening with property values. Property prices, they are not just rising, they are soaring. According to PropTech economist Anne Flaherty, the pandemic sparked a once-in-a-generation boom with significant price hikes, especially in 2021. Hotspots like Elizabeth North and Devon Park in Adelaide have seen increases over 100%. It's clear, despite the economic challenges, property remains a solid investment. And while we are on the topic of investments, let's not forget about the cost of building these investments. Building your dream home or investment property? Good news, the growth in construction costs is slowing down. CoreLogix reports a mere 0.8% increase in the first quarter of 2024. It seems that the wild ride of cost fluctuation is stabilizing, making it a promising time for developers and builders. Stay ahead of the curve in this dynamic property market. Keep watching our channel for more tips and insights. Ready to take the next step? Join me in our next workshop or book a personal consultation, tailor your investment strategy. Whether you are buying your first home or adding to your portfolio, knowledge is the power. If this rundown of Aussie property market has been helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates just like this one. Ring the bell to get the notifications and stay ahead in the property game. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next one.